I'll try to get the stitching part.
Oh yeah, that's the cool part.
I'm gonna do a feature video for YouTube.
Yeah, go for it.
That's the cleaning part.
Yes.
This is the numbing part.
This is the numbing part. This part feels like you're getting stung by bees. It hurts. So you could do a digital block. You could go this way, and you inject through the side. It injects the whole thing. You can push it through here. I like to do localized. So big stick, okay? And feels like you're getting stung by a bee.
Oh, and it burns too.
Oh yeah, bee sting. All right, another big bee sting over here. So that kind of cuts off the blood supply.
Lighting is always an issue on videos.
Hopefully you get the nice sound of the thunderstorm too in the background.
Oh yeah, yeah. It'll pick it up though.
There you go. All right, pressure I cannot eliminate, but you should not feel anything sharp. Can you feel this?
I don't feel that, no.
Okay, what about over here?
I don't feel that.
Here?
But I
No?
don't feel that.
Here?
I don't feel that.
Good.
Oh yeah. Nice and numb.
Yeah, because I'm gonna numb you, you're not gonna be able to feel really good sensation anyways.
Okay.
You wrap around once, grab your end, pull through opposite sides, pull tight.
Yeah, ready or not, huh?
Yep, fancy sewing. Pull that through.
You doing the next one?
Yeah.
You get to practice on something else?
Big feet.
That is the pusher.
We have an IV. I'll be right there.
Well, so you do individual stitches.
Yes.
Did you need a hand or?
Nah.
Okay.
I think he was just
I didn't know
watching.
if Terry was learning or not.
Yeah, he was just watching.
Okay. I'm gonna come and check on you in a little bit.
Alright, cool. For 2 days, I want you to clean it with soap and water, okay? I want you to put a little bit of antibiotic ointment. We like bacitracin. Sometimes people have reaction to Neosporin when you put them on in a suture. And I want you to keep it covered for 2 days. After 2 days, I want you to just wash it with soap and water and leave it open to air unless you think it's gonna get dirty. Then I want you to cover it and leave it open to air at bedtime, okay? Sutures can come out in 5 to 7 days. I want you to come back here. I put you on work restrictions. Or no, I'm sorry, no lifting, carrying. Do not soak your hand. I'm going to put you on an antibiotic because I don't want this to get infected. Signs of infections include redness, drainage, fever greater than 100.5 or more, okay?
Okay.
The antibiotic is twice a day for 5 days. Common side effects include diarrhea, abdominal distress, so I do want you to take a probiotic. Probiotics put good bacteria back in your system when antibiotics wipe out good and bad bacteria, okay? And it's going to be written down because I talk very quickly when I'm here.
I'll review the video.
Yeah, you'll have to let me know what your YouTube link is so I can go back and watch.
Okay, I got.
So 5.
Tourniquet.
Yep, tourniquet.
Blood flow now.
Oh yeah. This guy released your tourniquet.
I was fearing that it was gonna be more of a ligament problem.
No, your
Because
tendons, you're good because you passed all my tendon test.
Because I got hit right on it with a spinning sharp object. Well, it wasn't that sharp, or else it would have cut my finger off.
Oh, it was sharp.
Could have been worse. All right, so it's coming back.
Mm-hmm.
The blood flow is coming back.
It's that lidocaine.
Mm-hmm.
Don't soak your hand, okay? I don't want it soaked in water. No dishes. You're off a dish duty. And you got it on recording.
For 2 years? Is that what you...
Yeah, 2 years. We can do no dish duty for 2 years.
All right, got it.
My dad taught band growing up. I loved it. I got to be a drum major in school, and
That's
I
cool.
marched a melophin my senior year because I wanted a challenge.
Yeah. So you were drum major, what, junior?
Mm-hmm. Junior and senior.
Junior and senior. What school?
I loved it. It was fun. I was up north.
Up north?
Jefferson.
Oh, so you know what I'm talking about then.
Oh yeah, the
Yeah,
big old shows, and nobody really appreciates how much the band goes through to get to where
Competition.
they're at. That's the thing that bums me out about the college football games is nobody wants to record the band during halftime. You get the recap. Nobody cares about the recap.
Nobody covers it.
Right.
Yeah. Drum major. 2 years?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
We did Pinball Wizard 1 year and Pirates of the Caribbean another year.
Oh, wow. We did Phantom of the Opera
Nice.
this past year.
I always wanted to sing that.
Oh, wow, you fixed it.
There you go, your
Close
end
up.
result.
Close up.
You're bleeding again. So 5 is what you ended up with.
5 stitches.
Yep.
Our drum major this past year was a junior, so she'll be a two-year drum major also.
That's awesome.
Yep.
I loved it. That's one thing I do miss about school. is
Band
the
family?
band.
Uh,
23 minutes is not a bad time.
Mm-mm.
I could cut it down to 10.
You'll cut it down to 10?
Mm-hmm.
Take out all the boring parts?
Even 10 is a little long for people losing interest in after 5 minutes.
Oh yeah. Once they first start seeing the first couple minutes on how it's done, then they lose interest.
Move on to something else. So I'm feeling a lot of pressure, so is that normal?
Yes.
Okay.
Pressure on the wound?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You ever watch Dr. Pimple Popper?
No, I haven't.
Okay.
What is it?
Where she drains a lot of abscesses.
Oh, no, I haven't.
Awesome. Cool.
All right, new.